How to put stickers on photos on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So the basic way to put stickers on photos on Android is by using Instagram. So let's launch the Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now swipe left or to the right to scroll or start adding stickers. So simply tap on your gallery and select any of the pictures over here. So I'm going to select a very random picture over here. And if you want to add or put some stickers, simply tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen over here. So tap on this sticker icon. Now scroll down and here you can see the different stickers available. And if you want to search for it, you can just tap on the GIF option and then search for any of these stickers. So let me search for a GIF with heart over here. And here as you scroll down, you'll be able to see different GIFs. So let's select one of these. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.